What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading recap. It's yesterday's recap because I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. Check it out. Remember to smash the like button for me, guys. It really goes a long way. It helps out with the algorithm, helps boost up the channel, and that's one way you can really help me out. So smash that like button for me and comment in the comment section below, even if it's just to say hi. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video here. So yesterday I tweeted out my watch list. You can follow me on Twitter, link in the description section below. And I really didn't have a whole lot on watch yesterday. Okay, I really didn't have a whole lot on watch yesterday. And then today I literally have nothing on watch. Today's Friday. I had nothing on watch, like literally nothing. I have Tesla there because I'm looking at it. But look, honestly, Tesla looks like it's about to just be a chop fest. But you know, Tesla does whatever it wants to do, right? So here you go. Look at the 15-minute chart. Like we're just sitting right above the previous all-time high, which was set in place yesterday. Like it's just there. I think it was yesterday, right? When we set it? Oh, no, the day before. Yesterday we went up there to test it. I believe. No. Yesterday we set it, right? Today's the 20th. Oh yeah, yesterday we set it. Boom. Yesterday we set the all-time high. I actually did catch a trade on it yesterday, but it wasn't even that great or easy to trade. Let me show you. Let me see if there's a way I can zoom into this a little bit easier so you can see it. As I look for that, do me a quick favor, check out the links in the description section below to Webull. You download the app, you fund your account with $100, and you get, they change the stuff so often. You're either going to get 2 free stocks or 3. It just varies, you know, from day to, not from day to day, from but like period to period. I think now they're back at 2 a day, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and look into yesterday here. As we do this, remember on Monday, okay, the 23rd at 8 p.m., I will be live on YouTube. So make a note of that on your calendar so you don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live on Monday. Let me get rid of this pre-market and after hour stuff on this chart here, and let's get back to that for yesterday. Now yesterday we had, whoops, this is what we had going on. Okay, we had Tesla open up, just drop, and then it popped right off of yesterday's high. Okay, sorry, yesterday's close, I should say. I believe in this same candle here I tried to get long some contracts. It dropped back down and I got shook out of it and took a small L on it. Okay, nothing huge, real small loss on it. Then we popped right back above VWAP and I got long again, and I took some profits off right there in front of the high of the day. As you know, that's what I would do because of double top awareness. So I took some profit off there and then took a small loss on the rest of it. Then it happened to me again in here when we started to hold VWAP. I got back in, took some profit off in front of the high of the day, and then when we just broke down again, I stopped out of it. And at that time, I took a little clip and I was like on my phone, I was sending it to my buddy. I took a little video clip and I was like, I'm so mad, but you know what? I don't care because this thing can go to $550 right now for all I care. How can you trade this? It's so choppy. Attempt at the highs, break underneath support. Attempt at the highs, break underneath support. Like it was getting really old. And then right then and there, boop, all the way to brand new all-time highs. I was pretty mad, but I couldn't be mad at myself. I was just mad at the chop. Okay, and that's what you need to do. That's what you need to be able to tell apart. Okay, I was not mad at myself. I traded properly and I traded my plans and I took profits where I was supposed to take profits and I stopped out where I was supposed to stop out. I was mad because of the chop, because this is exactly what I was looking for. First take profit 505, next take profit 510 was my next take profit. So I was within my risk tolerance. I was within my risk, my trade plan. I just got chopped up, and that's not my fault. It's not. There's nothing I could have done differently here. Nothing. I looked at the chart and there was literally nothing I could have done differently here. So I was mad at the chop. That's all. And that's where we're at, right? That's where we're at. So now today we scroll on over here and we got more of the same. We got more chop. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up to test out the all-time highs again today. Even though it's Friday, volume is a little bit lighter on it today than it has been, for sure. You can just see that. So I don't think I'm going to trade it. I haven't taken a single trade today. I'll show you right now. Order statuses, boom, no orders. And what I did yesterday was I here, I'll show you my P&L. I did take, a trade on it. I don't even think I recorded it, to be honest with you. But I had to run down to the rental property yesterday. So I actually recorded the recap. And then when I got back home at night, I tried to edit it and upload it. But when I finished editing it, the audio wasn't syncing. And because it wasn't syncing, I was not going to put it out because I was just really bad quality and I wasn't going to do that for you guys. So I said, I'm going to reshoot the recap on Friday. And on Friday, I'll either have one recap, which is Thursdays, or I'll have two, Thursday and Friday. But there's nothing to trade for me today. I haven't touched anything. So, that's where we're at. Now, yesterday, here, I'll show you my win real quick. So here you go. Boom. That's my tweet. Make sure you can see that. I got to get back on the screen over here. Boom. So there you go. That's my tweet. I tweeted it out yesterday. $245. Prior to that, I had taken a small L, so I finished off the day at $199 and change. So $200 day off the back of the over $2,000 day on Wednesday, and off of Monday and Tuesday, which were great too, guys. You can't complain. Like, you can't be like, oh, I made $2,000 on Wednesday. Now I got to make another $1,000 or $3,000 on Thursday. No. I take what the market's going to give me, and I take my cues. Today, my cues was that there's really not much to trade, so I'm not trading it. Look, the chop continues on Tesla. I'm not gonna get chopped up on Tesla. And then you had KXIN popping off here. Small cap, this was extremely clean, but small caps haven't been all that for me lately, and I wasn't about to just press my luck on it. I really was not looking to trade today. I was nothing too exciting, to be honest with you. Let me show you the actual trade I did take yesterday on Tesla. I have the screenshot here. So when I missed out on all of this, right, I waited for a pullback. I was waiting for a low volume pullback into VWAP and this previous high area. Okay, that's what I was waiting for. Now we get the pullback, but this pullback here on this candle, the volume increased, and that made me not nervous, but it made me hesitant. So I only took 3 contracts it was on the bounce here on this candle. And I didn't even hold my stop down here in VWAP, which is where it should have been properly. I was extra more tight on it, and I held it to this previous high only because of this volume. See this volume bar and this one, they weren't small. Like, they didn't continue decreasing. If they would have continued decreasing on the pullback, like this here, you see, it goes smaller. If we would have gotten that here, I would have been more confident on this and I would have held on longer. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to look for a quick bounce off of it, see how high we can get this. And the moment I start to see a red candle form, I'll exit. And that's what I did. I got in on this candle right here, and I took some profits off here, and I stopped out of the rest right here on this candle. I mean, mistake in a way, right? Because we kept going, but I wasn't about to hold it because I didn't like the volume. And the volume was decreasing on the bounce itself, on the bounce. Like, we're bouncing off of it and the volume is decreasing. That's generally not a good sign. So, right, if this volume here would have been increasing as we went up higher, then that would have been a really good sign. So I'm happy with how I traded it, even though it went all the way up to the normal intended target that I would trade. I'm so happy. Green day, green week, green month, green year. Can't complain ever about anything like that. So that was it for me. KXIN definitely looks like it was something that was tradable today. Let's see here if there was a fib level in play by chance. Go ahead and draw this, and let's get precise on it. Boom. So, I mean, yeah, here now on this pullback, but I wouldn't have traded this pullback because the volume is kind of big on the drop. So, I mean, this would have been an entry here at 480, stop underneath here, 475 area, so 460 stop. First take profit up here at 570, which is high a day, 568. So, but I mean, it might work, right? It might work, but I would probably not have traded it because even though the volume is decreasing here, the volume on this initial drop is bigger than I would have personally liked. If this volume bar here on this drop on the beginning of this pullback would have been smaller like this one and continuation of these smaller ones, I would have been more intrigued into getting long in here. So for now, I'm going to keep it on watch. But that's it for me for now. I don't think I'm going to trade it, but I will keep it on watch. And if something good pops off, I'll jump in and then I'll do another recap, right? Anyways, guys, I hope you had a great week. Enjoy the weekend. Remember, once again, Monday the 23rd at 8 p.m. live on YouTube here, live Q&A session, some lessons, and a big announcement. Don't miss out. I'll catch you on the next one.